heart pulsates like dick, dick. Feel uneasy when I see you this way. What's up? Hold up, why are you mad at me and not answering my call? If it was broken, then I'm sorry, babe. The heart pulsates like dick, dick. Feeling uneasy when I see you this way.
Yo, my KK said, are you thinking of someone else? On your mind, will today be the end, or maybe you should save it for the next day? But it'll be difficult to survive without you. Can't trust anyone when you break an eye. Broken heart, how shall I survive? Whenever you have tension and need attention, I let you down and make you go for depression. But know the reason that I have to run from my career passion. Like you have said, yes, it's a hard generation. I couldn't be there when it was hard for you. You were never both alone when we shared our tyranny, but I always keep you in my prayers. Give me a chance to fulfill our plans, make this broken dream rekindle by giving me another chance. Couldn't forget if it would be possible, just for a moment, cause I trust you even during the dark night. Just hold my hand and let's wait for a better day. Why are you mad at me and not answering my call? If it was my fault, then I'm sorry, baby. The heart pulsates like dick, dick. Feeling uneasy when I see you this way. Are you ignoring me since you found someone else? Or are you just acting out because of love? I see your actions, they don't feel right, cause I try to find an excuse every time I call you. Before you used to talk to me, even when you were preoccupied. You never used to hang up, even when you couldn't utter a word. But when it's happened to you now, you still hold a grudge about this small mistake I made. But stop this, don't go for love. If you end this love and move on alone, you will end up lonely and broken just like me. So please forgive me if I have ever done you wrong. Pretentious like the bees that shake up nectar of flaws. The blooming love that we have, I don't want you to use me. Stay and give me all the love. Why hold on to that one small mistake I made? You used to call me every day before I go to sleep. You would let me know if you couldn't. It's very different now, like how we used to do. Or are you slowly trying to walk away? Why are you mad at me and not answering my call? If it was my fault, then I'm sorry, baby. The heart pulsates like dick, dick. Feeling uneasy when I see you this way. Yo, my kiss, that's it. Sorry, baby. The heart pulsates like dick, dick. Feeling uneasy when I see you this way. Yeah, my KK says that.